It is quite disturbing to imagine that the world would be without the advent of technology. That creation has saved humanity a million times over. Thanks to it, our food, education, lifestyle, agriculture, transportation, basically everything has been improved. It has without a doubt impacted all our sectors, most especially the construction sector. New developments and projects are made each year, and they require the use of heavy-duty construction equipment that is simply amazing. In today's video, we'll be taking a detailed look at 15 amazing, giant and incredible working machines that will blow your mind. Today's list is absolutely dominated by Liebherr products. Watch the video to find out why. Number 15. Loram Ballast Cleaning Machine. The SBC 2400 is the most efficient shoulder ballast cleaner in the world. The cleaning machine is fitted with 4 digging wheels and 2 separator screens. Its modified automation system and state-of-the-art working features allow the Loram cleaning machine to work on 2,400 cubic meters per hour. It has operating speeds up to 4 miles per hour. Its synchronized 30-inch digging wheels are designed to dig up ballast from the exterior ends of the tie to the edge of the ballast unit. Its dual scarifier teeth undercut the ends of the tie to 5 inches. This helps in scattering mud pockets and restoring the flow of water. The cleaning machine is equipped with Loram's elliptical-throw agitation separators and variable screen leveling features. These features produce more efficient ballast cleaning results and equip the SBC 2400 with the ability to customize its cleaning forces to local working conditions. The self-propelled ballast cleaner has a weight of 182,700 kilos and a transport height of 4.7 meters. It has a length of 41.5 meters, a width of 3.3 meters, and an operating height of 5.6 meters. The SBC 2400 has a maximum digging depth of 860 millimeters and a digging width of 760 millimeters. The scarifier teeth have a working depth of up to 130 millimeters. When it is operated singly, it has a transport speed of up to 77 kilometers per hour. When it is coupled with a train, it has a transport speed of up to 100 kilometers per hour. The ballast cleaner has a discharge height of 8.8 meters. Number 14. The Liebherr LH150. The first Liebherr product on today's list is the LH150. This Gen 6 machine weighs between 130,000 and 145,000 kilos. Its ISO 9249 Liebherr D9508 Tier 4 8-cylinder diesel engine has a rated power of 543 horsepower at 1700 RPM. The water-cooled V engine has a bore of 5 inches, a stroke of 6.2 inches, and a displacement of 9.86 litres. It also features a fuel tank with a size of 740 gallons and a urea tank with a size of 48 gallons. The Liebherr LH150 has a 24-volt electrical system with twin 180Ah 12-volt batteries and a 140-amp 28-volt alternator. Its swing drive features a stepless swing speed of 0 to 5.5 RPM and a swing torque of 191,766 pounds per foot. Its hydraulic system features 4 Liebherr axial piston variable displacement pumps for the attachment and travel drive. These pumps have a maximum pressure of 5.076 psi and an individual flow rate of 73 gallons per minute. There is also a reversible axial piston variable displacement pump from the swing drive. It has a peak flow rate of 120 gallons per minute and a maximum pressure of 3.771 psi. There are 3 main return filters with integrated partial microfiltration and 1 high-pressure filter for each main pump in the system. The hydraulic tank has a capacity of 328 gallons. Its spacious operator cab is equipped with an air-conditioned operator seat, joysticks, arm consoles, and a swivel seat. It has a wide, high-resolution display terminal, an automatic air conditioning system, an electric motor, and a shock-absorbing suspension system. The Liebherr LH150H is fitted with an automatic Liebherr central lubrication system for its upper carriage and attachment. Number 13. China SLJ900/32 Bridge Machine. The SLJ900/32, sometimes referred to as the Iron Monster, is a completely incredible machine that offers its users a modernized way of constructing large bridges. The machine has a length of 91.8 meters, a width of 7.4 meters, and a height of 9 meters. Weighing about 580 tons, the Iron Monster has a loading speed of 5 km per hour and an unloading speed of 8 km per hour. This equipment saves its users from the need to construct complex scaffolding or framework structures. It has a total of 64 wheels, divided into 4 fully rotating blocks. With its 64 wheels, the multi-purpose bridge machine is capable of lifting, loading, and offloading track sections on a bridge's pillars. The SLJ 900/32 is expected to work for an average of 4 years before it would have to be replaced. During the period, the machine is expected to have laid 700 to 1,000 bridge spans. Due to the weight of the machine, the bridges it produces are much stronger and larger than required. The bridges are capable of withholding the rail traffic for which they are designed. However, a maintenance crew needs to be assigned to check and clean its parts. Members of the operating and maintenance team go through extensive harness and height training to guarantee their safety. The Iron Monster is a very quick and efficient way to build high-speed railway tracks. Number 12. Volvo EC460 Demolition Diggers. This monster digger runs with a Cummins M11C engine, having a gross power output of 321 horsepower and a maximum torque of 1177 Nm at 1500 RPM. The turbocharged water-cooled 6-cylinder diesel engine has a bore of 125 mm, a stroke of 147 mm, and a displacement of 10.8 litres. Its well-protected electrical system features twin 200 Ah 12-volt batteries, a 50-amp 24-volt alternator, and an operating voltage of 24 volts. Its swing system consists of 2 axial piston motors and planetary reduction units. It also has automatic swing holding brakes and anti-rebound valves. Its maximum swing speed is 8 RPM. The Volvo EC460 has a fuel capacity of 665 litres, a hydraulic fluid capacity of 285 litres, an engine oil capacity of 34 litres, and a coolant capacity of 49 litres. The featured X-shaped undercarriage consists of 104 track pads, 20 lower track rollers, and 4 upper rollers. Its highly productive hydraulic system is equipped with the following functions: arm priority, boom priority, holding valves, power boost, power max, regeneration system, summation system, and swing priority. Its 2 variable displacement axial piston pumps each have a maximum flow rate of 330 litres per minute. Its gear pilot pump has a maximum flow rate of 30 litres per minute. The easily accessible operator's cabin features complete visibility and hydraulic dampening mounts to decrease the vibration and shock generated. The cab is equipped with an air conditioning and heating system and an adjustable ergonomic operator seat. The Volvo EC460 Demolition Digger has a maximum tractive effort of 320.7 kN and a maximum road speed of either 2.8 or 4.3 km per hour. Number 11. Liebherr MK140 Mobile Construction Cranes. At its maximum radius of 65 meters, the Liebherr MK140 is capable of lifting 1,900 kilos. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 8,000 kilos and a travel speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The mobile construction crane has a peak hook height of 39.9 meters and a luft jib position of 70 degrees. Its engine is a Liebherr D964A7 SCR 6-cylinder diesel model with a rated power of 544 horsepower. The crane has a standard fitting of 196 feet of jib. The massive jib is supported by a 4-point outrigger system coupled with automatic leveling. The integrated ZF Servocom hydraulic steering system consists of 5 unique drive models and an active rear steering feature. The MK140's braking system includes service brakes working on all of its wheels, a sustained action brake, and disc brakes working on all of its axles. The braking system also includes a spring-loaded handbrake working on the wheels of axles 2 to 5 and an anti-lock braking device. This comprehensive braking system plays a major role in keeping the operator and other present site workers safe. Its transmission system is a ZF gearbox type coupled with an automatic AS-tronic control system. The transmission system features 12 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds. The 5-axle construction crane has a 24 kilowatt hoist unit with a maximum hoist speed of 100 meters per minute. Its standard boom has a minimum length of 3 meters and a maximum length of 58.5 meters. Number 10. Yongsma Heavy Transport Truck. Yongsma BV is a family-owned company in Steenwijk, Netherlands. For several years, the company has gathered experience successfully transporting heavy loads. It has proven its flexibility and reliability when it comes to its services. Yongsma is the company's director of sales. Yongsma BV is co-owned by Chris Yongsma and Jerry Yongsma. Number 9. Rus 1000S. The Rus 1000S has a length of 170 meters. It has a minimum working radius of 250 meters and can travel smoothly on tracks with a 30% gradient. It features a 30% reduction in CO2 emissions and a significant reduction in noise generation. The machine cleans the ballast before it lays the new sleepers. Its laying system can lay 10 sleepers every minute. It can work on monoblock concrete sleepers, bi-block concrete sleepers, and wooden sleepers. Its tamping system includes lifting and lining unit and a tamping unit. Overall, the Rus 1000S is designed to deliver high efficiency and performance. Number 8. Vajarma Offshore Wind Farm Project. The Vajarma is a German offshore wind farm development in the German Bight of the North Sea. It is located about 95 kilometers northwest of Borkum. The development includes 67 Siemens wind power turbines with a 6 megawatt capacity. That brings the total capacity of the wind farm to 402 megawatts. The wind farm was developed on a land area of 51 square kilometers and has a maximum water depth of 41 meters. It features a rotor with a diameter of 154 meters, a hub with a height of 103 meters, and a rated wind speed from 4 to 25 meters per second. The development began construction on the 4th of April 2016, and the wind farm was commissioned on the 31st of May 2017. The wind farm cost around $2.1 billion. The project is owned by Highland Group Holdings Limited, Copenhagen Infrastructure Partners, and Siemens Financial Services. Number 7. CAT KTEK 1263 ADT. The KTEK 1263 ADT is the largest pull pan scraper in the world. It has a combined length of 13.4 meters, a combined width of 4.27 meters, and a combined height of 3.15 meters. The 27,700 kilogram scraper has an ejector cylinder, gate cylinders, and lift cylinders. The ejector cylinder has a width of 140 millimeters and a height of 1930 millimeters. The gate cylinders have a width of 165 millimeters and a height of 914 millimeters. The lift cylinders have a width of 190 millimeters and a height of 1041 millimeters. Its 3-piece blade has a cutting width of 3.66 meters. Its featured bucket has a length of 4.85 meters, a width of 3.66 meters, and a height of 2.13 meters. The scraper has a striking capacity of 31.56 cubic meters and a heaped capacity of 48.2 cubic meters. It has a turning radius of 9.1 meters, a cutting edge clearance of 0.76 meters, a tilting rack height of 1.37 meters, and a ball to rear axle length of 10.6 meters. The 1263 ADT moves on 4 radial 29.5 R25 tires. It is fitted with a gate extension, a roller push block, a truck fender and catwalk system, and a wrap around its mud scrapers. Its lubrication system comprises greaseless bushings and only 7 points of lubrication. Its ADT gooseneck helps to transfer 30% of weight onto the truck. To coordinate its movement, the KTEK 1263 ADT is equipped with GPS and laser mount. Number 6. Liebherr T284 Dump Truck. This rock truck has a loading height of 7,425mm, a rear axle clearance of 1,057mm, and a wheelbase of 6,553mm. It has an exterior body width of 8,891mm and a total track width of 9,679mm. Its MTU 20V4000 C23L Tier 2 engine has an SAE J1995 rated power of 4,023.1 horsepower. The 20-cylinder engine weighs approximately 12,000 kilos and has a displacement of 95.4 litres. It also has a bore of 170mm and a stroke of 210mm. The Liebherr 284 has a fuel tank with a capacity of 5,351 litres and a hydraulic tank with a capacity of 1,302 litres. It moves on standard 5980 R63 tyres with 44-inch rims. The dump truck has a maximum travel speed of 64 km per hour. Its drive system includes a Liebherr Litronic Plus AC system with IGBT technology. There is also a Litronic Plus traction control unit, a variable speed AC motor coupled with twin impellers, and an AC brushless alternator. It has a 4,500 kilowatt dynamic braking system. The braking system consists of a spring-loaded parking brake and an outboard single-disc service brake with 4 calipers per wheel. This mining truck has a transport length of 15.69 meters, a transport width of 9.68 meters, and a transport height of 8.29 meters. It generates an external turning radius of 17.2 meters. The Liebherr T284 has an overall weight of 237 tons. Number 5. Nueva Rotopala Rodomiro Tomic. This Rodomiro Tomic wheel loader was once the largest and most efficient wheel loader in South America. It has a maximum working capacity of 14,500 tons of gravel every hour. That is 4,000 tons more than the maximum working capacity of its retired predecessor. Its bucket wheel has a length of 52 meters and a height of 25 meters. Its removal disc has a diameter of 19 meters and is equipped with 16 baskets. The wheel loader has a transport speed of 15 meters per minute and a weight of 995 tons. Number 4. Liebherr LR1600 Cranes. The Liebherr LR1600 crane is fitted with a Liebherr crawler chassis and a central ballast system. The crawler chassis features one central unit and 2 crawler carriers with 59-inch crawler plates and a double drive. The central ballast system has a total weight of 143,300 pounds. It features 6 ballast plates weighing about 22,050 pounds each and 2 brackets weighing 5,500 pounds each. The crane is equipped with a water-cooled Liebherr D846AR engine. The 6-cylinder diesel engine has a rated power of 503 horsepower at 1900 RPM. It produces a maximum torque of 1,737 pounds per foot at speeds between 1,200 and 1,500 RPM. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 370 gallons. The operator's cab is equipped with an air conditioning system, heat insulating glass, ergonomically positioned standardized control units, and a roof window with bulletproof glass. The Liebherr LR1600 has slewing gear coupled with an integrated planetary gear, which is hydraulically powered by an axial piston swivel pump. Its safety system includes an electronic indicator, an aircraft warning control light, a wind speed gauge, a hoist limit switch, a drum switch limit at 3 rest layers, and safety valves to protect the hose and pipes from rupturing. Its standard boom has a minimum length of 79 feet and a maximum length of 315 feet. There are 6 winches in this crane. Winches 1 and 2 have working speeds between 0 and 436 feet per minute, and maximum single line pull of 39,700 pounds and a rope diameter of 3,445 feet. Winch 3 has working speeds between 0 and 427 feet per minute. Winch 4 works at speeds between 0 and 512 feet per minute. Winch 5 works at speeds between 0 and 436 feet per minute. Winch 6 has operating speeds between 0 and 449 feet per minute. A maximum single line pull of 27,560 pounds and a rope diameter of 2,625 feet. Number 3. Cat Excavator Long 345CL. This excavator is driven by a Cat C13 ACERT engine with a rated power of 345 horsepower at 1800 RPM. It has a bore of 5.1 inches, a stroke of 6.2 inches, and a displacement of 763 cubic inches. The Cat 345CL has a hydraulic system with a relief valve pressure of 5,080 psi, a discharge flow rate of 719 litres per minute, and a fluid capacity of 568 litres. The hydraulic system has a boom cylinder and a stick cylinder. The boom cylinder has a bore of 6.3 inches and a stroke of 62 inches. The stick cylinder has a bore of 7.5 inches. The system also has a maximum swing pressure of 4,550 psi. The excavator has a ground clearance of 1.7 feet, a removal counterweight clearance of 4.4 feet, and a tail swing radius of 12.4 feet. It has a track length of 14.4 feet and a height of 10.5 feet to the top of its cab. For each side, its undercarriage features 2 carrier rollers, 9 track rollers, and 52 shoes. The shoes have a size of 20 inches. The machine has a drawbar pull of 4,437 kilos and a track gauge of 9 feet. The Cat 345CL weighs about 45,000 kilos and has a swing speed of 8.6 RPM. It has a fuel capacity of 704 litres, an engine oil capacity of 42 litres, a coolant capacity of 61 litres, an individual swing drive fluid capacity of 10 litres, and an individual final drive fluid capacity of 15 litres. There are 6 options for the boom of this excavator. Depending on the choice made, the boom has a maximum digging depth between 23.6 to 29.3 feet. It has a maximum loading height of 23.8 to 26 feet. Its maximum reach along the ground is between 37.1 and 42.5 feet. It can have a maximum vertical wall dig depth between 15.8 and 19.6 feet. Its shipping length ranges from 38.9 to 40.8 feet, and its shipping height ranges from 11.5 to 12.4 feet. Number 2. Volvo pipe layers. Volvo has developed a wide spectrum of pipe layers. The range includes PL3005E, the PL4608, the PL4611, the PL4809D, and the PL4809E, amongst others. Almost all of Volvo's pipe layers are fitted with a standard anti-two-block device. The PL3005E is equipped with a Volvo D8J Tier 4F engine. Compared with older models, this pipe layer features a 6% increase in power output, a 7% increase in lifting capacity, and up to a 5% increase in fuel management. The rotating pipe layer has a tipping capacity of 55 tons and can work with pipes having diameters in the range of 12 to 24 inches. The PL4608 has a maximum tipping capacity of 80 metric tons. Its boom can have a length between 30 and 38 feet. The 360-degree rotating pipe layer has an operator cab fitted with the Volvo load management system that continuously derives infinite machine geometrics up to a 35-degree grade. The PL4611 has a maximum tipping capacity of 110 metric tons. The rotating pipe layer has a rated capacity of 150 metric tons. Its boom is mounted almost at the machine's center line to improve its balance and lift capacity. Its load management system constantly generates load charts for its 360-degree rotation. The PL4809D has a standard fitting of 30-inch tracks. It can also be fitted with 36 or 41-inch tracks. Its real-time load management system features wireless sensors on the boom, hook, and base machine. The pipe layer is also fitted with loud and easy-to-use warning lights. The 142,000-pound equipment is driven with a Volvo D13H T4i engine. The rotating pipe layer has a maximum rated capacity of 110,000 pounds and a maximum tipping capacity of 226,000 pounds. The PL4809E is powered by a Volvo D13J Tier 4F engine with a rated power of 372 horsepower at 1800 RPM. The pipe layer has a weight between 129,000 and 142,500 pounds. It has a rated capacity of 110,231 pounds and a maximum tipping capacity of 242,000 pounds. Its boom can have a length of 30.17 to 36.75 feet. Its ROPS certified cab is equipped with the Volvo load management system, a 7-inch colour display screen, and indicating lights. Number 1. The Liebherr R9800. And the number 1 on the list is the Liebherr R9800. The fifth Liebherr product on our list is equipped with a Cummins QSK60 16-cylinder engine that has a rated power of 4,001.7 horsepower at 1800 RPM. The V engine has a bore of 6.3 inches, a stroke of 7.5 inches, and a displacement of 3,661.5 cubic inches. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 17,595 litres. Its 24-volt electrical system includes 8 170Ah 12-volt batteries and a 260-amp alternator. Its hydraulic system features a maximum relief pressure of 4,640 psi and a discharge flow rate of 7,499 litres per minute. The entire hydraulic system has a capacity of 9,999 litres, with a hydraulic tank capacity of 5,799 litres. Its cleaning system features a dry-type air cleaner, a pre-cleaner, an automatic dust ejector, and primary and safety elements. The Liebherr R9800 swing system consists of 4 Liebherr axial piston motors, 4 Liebherr planetary reduction gears, and a Liebherr sealed triple roller swing ring with internal teeth. The excavator has a swing speed of 3.6 RPM. The 800,145 kilo equipment has an overall length of 941.3 inches, an overall width of 346 inches, and an overall height of 407 inches. It has a wheelbase of 8 meters and a track width of 670 centimeters. The excavator has a ground pressure of up to 39 psi. Its fitted boom can have a length up to 38.5 feet, a maximum digging depth of 29.6 feet, and a discharge height up to 40.7 feet. The Liebherr R9800 has an ISO breakout force up to 244,225 kilos. It has a maximum horizontal reach of 60 feet and a maximum crowd length of 17.8 feet. There you have it, 15 amazing, giant and incredible working machines. Which of these machines stunned you the most? Why don't you let us know in the comments box below? If you enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to leave a comment. Check out our other amazing and exciting videos on our channel and subscribe to the channel to be part of the family. Make sure you enable the notification feature if you want to catch updates from the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.